All right, I know why you've clicked on this video, because you probably have legs like these and you wanna have legs like that. If so, then you're gonna wanna stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Giancarlo here from GC3 Fitness, and in today's video, I'm gonna give you 15 lower body dumbbell exercises that you can simply do anywhere. Ready to try these out? Let's go.
Yo, G, come on, let's go. What are you doing?
What? I forgot to add calf raises. This is like a bonus. Ugh. Definitely gotta work on those. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed our 16 lower body dumbbell exercises, okay? Working on our quads, our hamstrings, our glutes, and well, our calves, right? If you're looking to build overall strength, right, while you're trying to build muscle or trying to lose some fat, then you're gonna wanna add these in, all right? And if you've seen my previous video on 20 upper body dumbbell exercises, and somewhere prior to that to my dumbbell core exercises, then right here you have a full body upper, core, and lower dumbbell exercise, then you can add to your routine, okay? There's a full library of exercises on this channel, so make sure to take advantage, all right, guys? So this concludes my video. If you liked it, make sure to hit me with a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to tap that little bell so you guys get notified when I post. As for now, I gotta get ready for our next video. Stay tuned next Monday. Let's go.
Getting stuck, I see feet in the mud. You have been caught in the flood. While the water is